My video is common fraction operations and I've got year level 6. Prior knowledge for students for this activity is for students to count by quarters and represent unit model fractions of halves and quarters. Okay, so today we're going to be doing an activity about addition and subtraction using a chocolate bar. So we've got an equation. So I want you to demonstrate using these pieces of paper to cover to see if we can work out what we've got left. So my brother eats a quarter of a chocolate bar. So how many pieces of chocolate do we have all together here? Can you count for me?
1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So 4 multiplied by 8?
32.
32. Alright, and my brother eats a quarter. So how much is a quarter of that? Do you know how many pieces that is?
Yeah.
What is it?
8.
Okay, very good. So 8. Alright, so brother's eaten a quarter.
Yep.
Alright, and our sister eats a half. So can you cover a half of the chocolate bar for me? Alright, very good. So we've got half covered and we've got a quarter covered. Now how many do we have left?
8 pieces.
8 pieces. And if we started with a whole, we took away a half, or we subtracted a half, we subtracted a quarter, what do we have left?
1 quarter.
Alright, very good. And we've got 8 pieces in that 1 quarter. So, how many pieces of chocolate do we have all together?
32.
32. So if we were to break them pieces of chocolate and model and represent what we just worked out, do you think you could do that?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so let's break it in half. Okay, so we've broken it into 2 pieces, which is?
2 halves.
2 halves. And 2 halves equal?
1 whole.
Yep, so 1 whole. So we've got 1 whole chocolate bar into 2 halves. So our sister eats half. So where's this going to go? And my brother eats a quarter. Alright, very good. So we've got that with paper, and now we're going to do this again. So our sister eats half, and we're using these ones because they're already broken. What's a quarter for that? A quarter. So we're taking all that away, and what are we left with?
1 quarter.
1 quarter. And how many pieces is 1 quarter?
8.
8 pieces. So that represents that our equation, my sister has eaten a half of a chocolate bar, and my brother has eaten the other quarter. How many do we have left? And what's the answer?
We have 1 quarter left.
1 quarter left. And how did we work that out?
By subtracting 1 half and 1 quarter from 1 whole.
Yep, so a half and a quarter together is?
3 quarters.
Alright, very good.